Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Click the bell icon at the top of the page to get notified when I post a new video. Please give this video a thumbs up. Universal Channeling. Channeling the conscious universe. With failure you are catapulted to success, if you learn from it. By Angel V. Ornedo Jr. Sunday, November 8, 4:24 a.m. Success can be defined as rising from something you did, compared to that action you considered a failure. Success is learning from failures you had that gave you the guts to be stronger, wiser and experienced in that aspect of life. Lexicographers define it as the accomplishment of an aim, or purpose, or simply the attainment of popularity or profit. Prosperity is success. U.S. President-elect Joseph Biden Jr. after 47 years of elective positions finally got the presidency, a success possible definition. My neighbor entrepreneur is strict in his definition, and that is where you can fail once, or two the most. The next try should be fully accomplished, otherwise imbecility or idiocy are better words for non-use of your rational brain. Of course we cannot judge people, as all of us are equal in brains and memories, as source energy SE made it perfection, you just don't know it yet, intelligence unutilized. Source never judge SE creations. You are an expression of SE, and the moment you are connected with Creator Soul, the divine flow of the Creator will surge through you, resulting to natural integration with Creator Soul, knowing who you are, a divine being. There can never be any separation as we understand and realize that there is only unity, consciousness and oneness synchronized with the inner planes within yourself. See, go within, and feel how it will impact your entire being. Your journey to oneness begins. We are all passing light body processes, LBP, a system of experiencing pains, illnesses, and sufferings in our physical bodies, excruciating and dirty as they are trials and tribulations, others call it failures, are in reality healing, cleansing, and will catapult us to a feeling of joy, of unity consciousness once you learn from it all. We agreed to incarnate in a planet of emotions and polarity, the most difficult planet to live in physicality in our galaxy, and despite the odds we are on our way to the greatest shift, ascension in the universe. We participate in the transfer of a new reality, a vibrational frequency one notch higher from our present plane or dimension. In our particular case, we are transferring from the fourth to the fifth dimension, a ladder to the sixth. They come in ladders. Dream state, theta, is 4th D. In retrospect, at the ladder, those at the 9th vibrational frequency are going to the 10th. LBP, makes us stronger and prepared for ascension, as you always change for the better. Failures and pains are similar, as after it things and desires are easier to manifest, and we praise the Source God for it. Ascended Masters and Archangels are happy to see you manifest your desires after difficult trials. Yes, that is similar to conquering the dark with the light, amplifying your powers to create, a form of ascension to higher vibration. You will find a way to accept what you are going through from now on, as it serves you to do so, and you enjoy the roller coaster ride a bit more. And that's something we would love to see you all do. It is not the 1,000 years of wars in the Middle East or the 2 world wars that passed, named as World Wars I and II. It is not about the politicians and their laws, it is not about the science and their cure for COVID-19, a manufactured domesticated virus of men. It is not about the terrible wars and diseases that we participate in the name of patriotism or love of country, but it is in the embodiment of the real core issues that we should solve, in understanding that pain, sufferings and trials which are our tools and shields to raise us to that feeling of joy and happiness that would clear the path to our journey to wholeness, completeness and oneness with the Creator. We have been on survival mode, the fight or flight response of living, but cosmic energies and light blaze are clearing our ways. All of our ascended masters and archangels are telling us the same message. Christ, Mother Mary and Lord Melchizedek will show us the way on how our own pains and sufferings will catapult us to joy and happiness as they had in their lifetimes. It is a timely way of sharing a master's message provided us for the last 2 decades, as we have been in bondage, enslaved, all suffering from pain and tribulations. I repeat, the Sirius Starlight being's way of service and kindness is the natural way of raising your vibration. Engage in service to others, and live in kindness to other people, and you will be in a higher vibrational state naturally, thus the likelihood of abundance is yours. All these knowledge and truth are within you, just seek it, go within, and the light blaze of 2020 and the energies of the central sun will empower and strengthen your innate memories asleep for several thousand years. Love and light from Angel V. Ornedo Jr.